Hello students, welcome to the class. Today in this video we are going to start a poem Trees of unit number 5 of our literature reader textbook. This poem is written by Shirley Barr. Look at the image of the poetess. She was born on 17 October 1944 and she died on 17 May 2011. And she served as a nurse for 41 years. She was an avid baseball fan and she loved traveling and spending time with her friends. This poem Trees is written in the praise of trees, means in the appreciation of trees, because we know that the trees are very helpful not only for human beings but for the other living things also. So let's see how the trees are useful. But before that, take a few minutes to think and try to recollect the names of trees that you know or have heard of. After recollecting the names of the trees, one more thing you have to do, that is mention the things tree give us. So you have to list down that how many things we are using just because of the trees only. So let us read the poem. Trees are for birds, trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to wreck this fall. In the poem, there are only two hard words: timber, a large piece of wood, and to wreck means to collect. So the poem, it is a long catalogue describing the various advantages of the trees. As I told you, it is the appreciation of the poem trees where the different advantages of the trees are mentioned. Every person who looks at a tree appreciates it for a different reason, because there are so many reasons which will make us to appreciate a tree. Trees are the source of sustaining life. We know that the life, our human life, is sustainable because of the trees only. Why? Because they provide food and shelter, the two basic needs of the human beings. They are loved by children while playing games. They give shade and fruit and various other gifts. So just look at the images. This will help you to understand the poem very clearly. So trees are for birds. In the image you can see that the birds, they used to make their nest in the trees. So that is a place for them to live. So they are useful for the birds also. Trees are for children. So trees are used by the children also for playing different games, for enjoy under the trees. Trees are to make tree houses in. Some people, they love to make tree houses, and that is means the trees are useful for that purpose also. Trees are to swing swings on. The small children, they used to play the swings, and the trees are helpful in that matter also. Trees are for the wind to blow through. The wind which we are everyday using, this is because of the trees only. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. So the children, they love to play hide and seek, and where they hide, behind the trees. So trees are used as a hiding place for the children in their game hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. So not only for children but even for the grown-ups also. Trees are very helpful because the grown-ups, they also enjoy under the trees. They also have fun in the tea parties which are organized under the trees. Trees are for kites to get caught in, and we know that the children, when they fly the kites, at that time when the strong wind comes, the kite, it used to get stuck in the trees. Last year we have learned the poem Kite. In that we have seen that the kite, it used to stuck in the trees. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. We know that during the extreme summer season, the trees, they provide cool shade. Trees are to make no shade in winter, but during winters, this shade is not required. So the trees do not provide the shade, and it allows the people to take the sunlight, to take the bath in the sun. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. So trees are useful because so many fruits we get because of the trees only. And people get to eat delicious fruit like apples and pears just because of the trees only. Trees are to chop down and call timber. So trees are useful even when they are chopped down, even when they are cut down. That time also the trees are very useful. Why? Because we get the large pieces of wood to make furniture. It means after cutting down the trees also they are useful for human beings. Trees make mother say what a lovely picture to paint. And trees, they are very beautiful. That if you paint the picture of trees, so that also looks very lovely. So the mother said that the trees are like beautiful pictures that they would love to paint. Trees are trees make father say what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. And we know that during the autumn season, the trees they used to shed their leaves, and that leaves are also beneficial, they are also useful because they are used to collected the leaves which are fallen, they used to collect, and they also used for making the pesticides. So in this way the poetess she has described the different advantages of the trees, and this all we know. So this is a poem which is just for the thankfulness of the trees to come. Let's learn that how the trees are useful for the human beings. So I hope you all must have understood the poem. In the next video we'll see the question answers of the poem. So before that you also can read the poem. And one important thing that some children they are completing the assignments on time, but still there are some children those who are not sending the assignments. And I want to appreciate the children those who are sending the assignments on time. And this is the instruction to the remaining children that you all have to solve the worksheets on time, because that will give you clear idea whether you have understood the particular chapter, the poem or not. And the most important thing, we know that the assignments they have the marks. So if you complete and submit on time, you will get the marks of that. So I hope you will remember this point and will do your work on time. Thank you.